Hello guys, welcome back my YouTube channel Code Play. Today I will discuss about how to use lazy loading and navigation, switch component to component in Angular. So before we start, just subscribe my channel if you new on my channel and press the bell icon to get every updates. Don't forget to like, share and comments. If you have any query after this video, you can ask, and I will put the Telegram channel link description, and also my Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. I will provide you the source code. So let's start without wasting time. So today, first you have to create components which you want to navigate in this project, this demo. Okay, press here C1 CMD and now create a component. ng G for generate, C for component and component name home. Second, about us. Third, product. And fourth, add product. Okay, and fifth, if you don't have any page, like someone entering the URL, the wrong URL, so in that case it navigate page not found. So I'm creating a page not found. Page not found. So I will show you in routing how you will do this. So first go to in app.route.module file. Here you can see the routes. It's a constant because we are not changing the route, whatever we are value inserting in an array. So just open the curly brace and which path is blank for home component. Like you can set the by default component, that is not matter. Sorry, comma component comma path about us. I'm sorry, I'm writing the wrong here. It should be, it's an array, that's why, comma another path about us. Next thing is contact, which we created about us, home about us. Okay, we don't have contact, so right here double asterisk means when you are entering wrong URL, then it will redirect whatever component provides here. Page not found. Okay, next thing, here, product. It's related to product, and in that scenario we want to use a particular like particular menus, so we have to create one more thing, the layout, in which we put the links for menu item for the navigation. Layout. Okay, now here use layout. Okay, and now this comma children here path product list component the product component and move to next. This is the lazy loading because we are using children here, and next add product. Okay, so this is the you can see this is I have set the path for the navigation. Next move to here imports router module dot for route routes. Next thing in layout add the links, so search the design bootstrap menus. You can get the simple menus. This is the simple menus. Okay. Copy. Now use div here and class container. Now use router outlet. You don't have the something, maybe design CSS maybe getting error, toggle navigation like this. So for now just remove it. Simple, everything should be simple. Okay, so don't use href for navigation, use routerLink. Here use home, it's a blank, so about us, the link should be like this way and this way. About first home, this should be blank, and about us, and third is about us layout, page not found don't need to mention here, product product list, and more navigation for add product. Let's see in the router module, add product and product list. So that thing should be here, same matching route. Okay, now let's move forward. With the router outlet, we need to add this router outlet in app.component and add the app-navigation layout component, that by this menu item visible. Okay, now let's run gserve. It's run successful. Let's run the project. Localhost 42 home. It's home because two menus I have added. Let's remove it first. Already home is here. Okay, just remove this here. And about us, you can see about us, product, page not found, product list URL is not matched. Let me see product list, come into and paste here. Yes, now it should be match about us, product. No. Product list, product. I don't know why it's not matching. Product list and add product. Oh, sorry, I missed one thing, that products this way. Now I have refreshed this product add product, page not found. Is working, but is not. Let me see what I have done wrong. Oh, sorry, I have to here. That's why. Product. Okay, now it will run. Page not found. Product and product. Maybe it is not set. Let me see. About this. Oh, sorry, I have done it here. That's why. The problem is if the URL searching something like this, and you use first this, means two components are matching here, and after that you put here, so it will return only the page not found. So whenever you are maintaining this, like using page not found, so when mention in the last, in the all routes, like all routes first, and the last route should be page not found. Okay, now Hope it will work. So now you can see here the home, about us, home, about us, and products, product work, and product, add product works. Okay, so one more thing that you should do right here, the add product. Okay, now it will see here add product. Okay, so guys, this is the basic example of lazy loading and navigation routing, navigation component to component, how to switch. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you so much. Please share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.